What up, YouTube? Back again with another video, some more content for you. My homeboy, shout out to Ram, gave me his car so that he could let me do some work on it and get some content for you guys. So this is the and more part of the N54 and more. So we won't even talk about why that's like that. I'll do a video for I screwed up. But anywho, today we have a 370Z. And what will I be doing on it? Full exhaust. All these parts and stuff. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm gonna do a cold start of it, get a video of that, swap it out, do some video of that. Got all the hardware here and everything like that. Nipsey got to sit outside for the night. And right now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is unwrap it and show you guys what everything looks like. Don't mind how dirty I am. Been working on this one all day. Well, unboxing is done, and as you can see, everything looks pretty good, pretty good. These welds are really nice. I don't know if it'll focus. There we go, focused. Look at those welds. Look at them welds. And at the same time, look at that cut, boy. Shout out to my boy Glenn at Headliners Park Place Mall. Hit him up. Clean welds. And now, the best part, because he knows what's going on here. This is the best part. Go ahead and show y'all this sweetness real quick. My boy got burnt tips. If y'all know what's good, you already know I am a burnt tip enthusiast. Ooh. Clean. Well, like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna do a cold start of it so you guys can hear what it sounds like before the exhaust. And then I'll do a cold start after it because I don't know how long this is gonna take me to do. So catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, I'm back. It's morning time. Just went to Harbor Freight and also Ace Hardware to go get some new stuff. Got a new lie down board because when you're fat, you end up doing stuff like this. It's crazy. Exercise, people. Don't be fat. Also got some other jack stands. Only planning to have one car on jack stands at a time, but so now it is time for the exhaust for the 370. So what I'm gonna do right now is light cold start. Do the cold start, jack it up, and and get to working. Not gonna run it for too long, obviously, because I want to burn the crap out of me when I'm changing it. But let's hear how it sounds right now. So that was really quiet, so hopefully it gets louder when I change the stuff. But let's get to it. Car's all jacked up. Go ahead and see what we're looking like down here. Alright, so we're gonna be starting point is gonna be up there. Pull off those. Straight back. I think I'm gonna pull to our right down there first and then do the second half after. So this will be the first half coming down right here. So let me go ahead and get started. I forgot about O2 sensors. Ew. Whatever. So turns out I was wrong. And this is much easier than I thought. Starting point is right here because this is a catback exhaust. So no O2 sensors and crap. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off. Probably not gonna video me pulling these off. I'll probably just video installing it. Pretty sure these are 14 millimeters. Oh yeah, I still know my JDM stuff. 14 millimeters, and then when I get back there, I'll probably move the jack stands back to that part of the car. So let's get it. But first, started putting it together. These things should really come with instructions, and I shouldn't have to figure it out myself. But hey, let's do it. Woo! Arizona is way too damn hot. Way too hot. But all the parts are out. The exhaust is completely removed. Catback, baby! So now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to set my camera up right back here. And we're gonna go ahead and install this exhaust. Probably gonna start with the back after I do this. So I'm gonna do this front piece first, then I'm gonna do the back, and I'm gonna do the center pieces because the back is not easy to do with the other pieces in the way. So let's get it.
don't involve money, then I don't accept. Something like this. Daytime better come correct. They ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Like this. She virgin, I took her. She said we should hook up the boyfriend and booger. Don't know me, then look her. I'm being the clouds. Pull full of Henny, I drink and I drown. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Something like this. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Well, exhaust is in. Something just blew up. I don't know what that was, but okay. As long as it's not the car I'm working on. So, never tightened up anything before, as I put on the screen before. Never tightened up anything fully. Temp install everything. You can tighten up like the mounts and stuff like these. I tightened these fully so that they could hold properly and not be swinging everywhere. But basically just put everything on slightly and then tighten up afterward. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. Tighten up everything and then burnt tips, baby! Well, everything is in except for the tips. All looking good. We'll zoom in. Everything tightened up. Everything looking shiny and new. So now, my favorite part, and obviously what I'm obsessed with, burnt tips, baby. Let us get it. didn't show the absolute pain and struggle that I just went through with the passenger side tip. For some reason, the piece that the tip is supposed to go over wasn't small enough. I don't know how that happened or what they screwed up, but it was absolute pain. But I got it, because this is what I do. I'm good like that. So what I'm gonna do is polish it up real quick, wipe it down, make sure it looks all good and clean and sexy, like a new exhaust should. And then I'm gonna do the cold start, so you guys can hear it, and it's gonna be sexy. We are done. All polished up and shined. Oh, hello. Anywho, got a nice little design on there. Looking good, looking good. All shined out. Oh, those some clean and nice welds, boy. Good, good, good. Looking good. So, now it is time for, you know, cold start, baby. So I'll jack the car down as soon as I finish the video. And right now, let's go ahead and start it up. Well, that is going to be the end of this video. Obviously, there'll be more content, and I'll be putting out more past videos that I already shot and other projects that I'm doing with this expensive car. But yeah, end of this video. Nipsey can finally get back inside. And once again, shout out to my homeboy Ram for letting me work on his car. He could have brought it to a shop, but he chose me. I appreciate you. And also, shout out to my barber Glenn for having me looking good through this, you know, this whole photo shoot and everything. You don't know. Alright, I'm done. Hit him up, Park Place Mall, Headliners. Go get your cut. And if you need any car work, drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe. Catch you in the next video.
Rest in peace, Black Mamba. Vegas nights playing cars, shopping off season. Grab the white, red wine, shit we all eat. Hear me well, no I won't fail. Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my sex, D shouting me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out.